Hi, welcome to a new episode. On this episode I'm gonna install some MT-07 wheels on my Tenere 700. Okay, so these are the MT-07 wheels. I've done some decals on it already and the front wheel is already milled down. I'm gonna show it right now. They have taken a piece off in the machinery, so the brake discs are at the same distance as the original ones. They also milled out this piece so that the T7 bearings will fit in it. The rear wheel doesn't need any adjusting. So this is some parts that have been made by Sven. It's a guy in England who helped me with these parts. We have two custom ABS rings to fit instead of the stock ones because they don't match, and these ones they will give the correct speed on the dash. And together with this is a brake disc spacer for the rear. This is an ABS spacer for the rear. These are some longer bolts. I will go to the measurements in a second. Also for the rear disc, this is the front axle bus that will go in between the bearings. These are two spacers for over here, and this is the rear spacer for the rear wheel. And I also have some, I don't know what it's called. It doesn't say, but it are dust caps to prevent the bearings from getting really dirty. Also original T7. So now we'll go over the sizes. I have to say it correctly. The on top one is the rear spacer. It is 22 high, and the inner diameter is 20 millimeters, just like the rear axle. The two fronts are 22 high, and also the inner diameter is 22, just like the front axle. And this is the inner tube. It's also 22 on the inside, just like the front axle, and it's 94 wide. So this is custom made. Isn't too difficult, but if you need the machinery to get it done. So for the rear disc spacer, this is this one. It's 10 millimeters. These sizes are the same sizes. It goes underneath this one. It is CNC made, like you can see. I don't have the files for this. These are also custom made, and this one is 8 millimeters thick, and that goes underneath the ABS ring, so it matches with the brake calipers and all that kind of stuff. The bolts that you need are a little bit longer, M8 and 30 millimeters and a 125 thread. These ones are from Kawasaki. I went to my local Kawasaki dealer and they had them in stock. So now we're gonna put the wheel bus, this one, in here, and I'm gonna get the bearings out of the freezer, and then we're gonna put it in, and hopefully we can put the wheels in tonight. I'm gonna heat this one a bit up so the bearings go in more easy. So be back in a bit. These are the bearings. I kept them in the freezer and hopefully they will just slide in. I need to take this off and I will punch them in. Well, the bearings are in. It's all in one line. So now I'm gonna put on the dust caps and then it's ready to be mounted. Well, here we are. Front wheels out, fender is out, wheels done, spacers are in. Let's try to fit it in and see if it all fits like I hope. So the wheels are in, it all fits. The only thing, I have steel brake lines, they are rerouted, so it's hitting the tire. So I had to get this bracket on the inside instead of on the outside, or otherwise, just how you see it. So I'm gonna turn this one around. Front wheels in. I rerouted the brake lines on the outside. It's not really difficult because just get them loose behind them and back down, so it's a 1 minute job for both sides. I also put the smaller front fender on for now. It fits, it's good. I have to test ride it, but for now I only have to check the front guards. They hit it a bit because I don't have the bracket in between that pushes them out, so I have to check how I'm gonna solve that one. So the rear wheel was in. It was a bit of a hassle because I put the axle the wrong way around. It's getting late, so I'm going to stop now. The wheels are out. The rear wheel fits perfectly with the spacers, brake caliper. It all works nice. So tomorrow I'm going to roll it outside and I'm going to check how it looks and how it rides. Well, here it is. Final result. It's looking better than expected and I can't wait to drive it. This is the Lonerider adjustable side stand. With 2 bolts you can make it shorter or longer. So that's why these tires, the bike still stands good.